have all been there. You have a weekly client report or a standard slide deck, and every time you find yourself typing out the exact same lengthy, complex prompt just to get the formatting right. Runable 2.0 solves this repetition with custom skills. These are reusable workflows that teach the agent your exact process, allowing you to run complex tasks automatically. To build one, you only need 3 things: an active Runable account, available credits in your balance, and a repetitive task you are tired of doing manually. Instead of spending 10 minutes carefully wording a giant paragraph of instructions, you can trigger that entire workflow instantly with a single / command. Saving these instructions means the agent stores the necessary context to execute the task without you having to re-explain the requirements every week. Let's build your first skill. Open your Runable Home dashboard and head straight to the central input bar. Tell the agent exactly what you want this skill to do. For a weekly report, specify that it needs to analyze attached CSV data, generate 3 distinct sections, and keep the final output under 2 pages. You do have the alternative option to build a skill manually by writing your own code and uploading a zip folder. But going that manual route means you have to write strict YAML front matter, ensure your file structure is perfect, and keep the file name entirely lowercase with no special characters. Using the Create with Runable method completely bypasses all of those complex formatting rules. The agent automatically writes the correct YAML front matter and drops the formatted code directly into your secure sandbox. Letting the agent build the skill for you eliminates the technical barriers, preventing upload errors and formatting failures entirely. Once you send your request, the agent evaluates your prompt and pauses to identify any missing contextual requirements. Before building, it will ask a few short, clarifying questions to lock down details like your target audience, desired tone, and visual structure. Give the agent direct, specific answers. Your replies here serve as the permanent parameters for the skill. As soon as you reply, the agent generates the workflow. You will see a confirmation message on screen, letting you know the file is securely saved. Answering these questions gives the agent the specific parameters it needs to produce more consistent results each time you trigger the skill. Now we need to make sure it is active. Navigate away from the chat sandbox and open your global settings menu. Under the Agent Skills tab, you will see the official pre-built Runable library at the top and a distinctly separated list for your user-generated custom skills right below it. Scroll down to that custom skills section and locate your newly generated workflow by its name. Check the toggle switch next to the skill. You must ensure it is flipped to the enabled state to give the agent permission. Maintaining strict central control over these toggles prevents the agent from becoming overloaded or confused by irrelevant commands during your daily chats. With the skill enabled, head back to your main chat dashboard for the final execution phase. To trigger your workflow, type a simple / into the empty text area. That keystroke immediately pulls up an expanding drop-down menu containing all of your currently enabled skills. Scroll through the list and select your specific custom skill. Now, just append a specific weekly variable right after the / command, like your client's name or today's date. You can also access this exact same list by clicking the plus button next to the input bar and selecting Use Agent Skills. Hit Enter and watch the agent work. You will see real-time feedback, tracking specific milestones and tool calls as it executes the workflow. Watching this execution process proves that a complex, multi-step manual chore has successfully been compressed into a single automated trigger. In just a few moments, the task completes, and you have a highly polished, formatted asset ready for review. Because the rules are permanently saved, you never have to explain the formatting, tone, or structure of this specific report to the agent again. Automating these prompts removes the need for manual setup, allowing you to generate work on demand without repeated configuration. To push this efficiency even further, try utilizing the memory feature next. It allows you to save global brand colors and tone preferences across all future conversations. And if you are ready to orchestrate highly complex skills, like deploying full-stack web applications, turn on Plan mode so you can review the exact build sequence before it starts. Custom skills transform your workspace into a series of automated triggers, allowing you to handle multi-step processes with a single command.